Hi guys, it's that time of year, spring time of year. We've just come on board with a company called BBLeap, and they're a company from Holland. They're developing technologies in farming. Their vision is farming at plant level, so it's looking after, down to individual plants. They've started off with a PWM system for sprayers, and we've just fitted one to Patriot 4430 up in Three Springs area. It's a new Patriot. It's fully isobus. We've got a 36mm boom. They're running at 250 centers on the nozzles, individual rates, individual nozzle control. Up on the Raven on the here. This is it here. Pretty straightforward. You can basically the Raven still does your rate and your pump control, and the BBLeap basically takes over. So we basically come out of the cab. We'll come out and have a look at the nozzles. So you can see you've got some modules on the boom. Every module does 4 nozzles. They're all strung together, so it's just a box with a joining plug in the back to join the modules up, sorry, and then your four plugs on the front to do your nozzles that go into your solenoids. These ones we've got Arag dry bodies, so this one's set up for every nozzle is running 06, and then at 500 spacings we're running 05 for your broadacre, because this machine's actually getting Bilberry cameras put on it. And then the brains is on the back. Brains is in there. That's it, basically. It's got Wi-Fi on it, so we can remote log in, we can update software, fix problems hopefully. Yeah. It's running a 48 volt system, so we've had to put an extra couple of batteries in. We've got a couple of batteries in there, extra alternator up on the machine, and then we've got some more brains in the existing battery box for the Patriot. So yeah, it makes the boom pretty simple. There's no clutter on the boom. Pretty simple. Just a string of cable all the way along with your modules. So you can have options. You don't have to have 250. You can do 500 or whatever spacing you want. How many sections you want. Size of bus compatible with most screens. Trimble, Raven, Topcon. You can control it with your phone if you want to test nozzles. If replace a module, use your phone. You can have A, B, C, D lines set up, so you can have your A line as every nozzle, your B line as every other nozzle for your 500 spacing. You can have a C for another configuration of the nozzles. You can run more rate on your tram lines. You can, there's lots of different things to features it's got there. So, but any questions, just let us know, give us a message, and yeah, we'll go from there. Happy spring.